Namaskar, myself Rameshwar More, Aditya Computers, Khultabad. Today I am going to prepare process folio situation number 5, which has been given as a project according to MKCL. Now the situation is I am the lecturer at MSS Junior College of computer. I am a computer teacher and I have to arrange a quiz competition regarding to computer literacy, especially with Office 2013. Now see, regarding to this situation, especially I have to arrange a quiz competition, and it is especially again regarding to with Office 2013. So for that purpose, I have to prepare a notice that I am going to send all the students. Then again, I have to prepare a student data, including name of the students to whom I am going to send the notice with their email IDs, and then some objective questions and some practical questions, which are already I have prepared in Office 2013. So now I am going to prepare a notice. Now see, for that purpose I have to start Office program 2013. See, start, then all programs, Office 2013, and then Word 2013. See, blank document. So in this document, now I have to type a notice, and then according to formatting tools, I have to arrange it. See, center, color, then size. So like this I can format it as I want. As I now see, already I have typed all the notice which I am going to send to all the students. See, notice, and again if we want we can revise it, we can format it as we wish. See, this is a quiz competition, date, time, rules and venue where we are going to arrange the competition. Now this notice now I am going to send with the help of mail merge feature. It is located in mailing. See, mailing, start, mail merge. From this option now I am going to send this notice to all the students which are going to participate in this quiz competition. But for this purpose already I have typed a student data, including their names and their email IDs to whom I am going to send it. Now see, for that purpose I am going to open the Excel 2013 program. Now in that program already I have saved this all the student data. So see, now I am opening the Excel 2013. Okay, see this is the Excel program. Here is the name of students. Now I am going to format it. Then this is email ID. Okay, see, these all are the name of the students, and this is the email IDs of the students. So these all students I am going to send the notice. Now see, with the help of mail merge option I am going to send it. Mailings, start mail merge. From these options I have to select email messages and then select recipient. See, use an existing list. Already I have saved the document. See here, student data, and then open. Okay, now see, insert message. From here I had insert merge field. From this I have to select name of the students. Here in front of dear I have to select insert merge field and then name of the student. Now see, name of the students, and here I have to now finish and merge. While finishing this I have to select send email message. These options from finish and merge option. Now see, send to means I have to select here email ID, and in subject I am going to type here quiz competition in short. Then see current record and all. Now see, for this purpose I have to send this notice to all the students, so I have to select here all and then OK. Now see, preview results. See Ganesh Patil, then see second one Aditya Fulare, we can see here Amol Rahinj, Rameshwar More, Babasaheb Fulare. So like this, so all the students already I have sent this notice. Okay, now this one activity is over. Now I have to prepare some practical and some objective questions into the Excel 2013. Now see, I will prepare it. Now see this, already I have typed here near about 15 questions, exactly 15 questions, and then with their options. See, each question is having four options. Now see, these all questions, and then there are some practical questions. See, file, I am going to open it, computer, browse. See this question bank practical, and then open. Now see this, these 15 questions already I have typed here. Okay, now I have to link this and I have to make a PowerPoint presentation for this competition. Now I am going to open the PowerPoint presentation program. See this. Now see, I have opened this PowerPoint presentation program. Now see, I am going to take some new slides. I am going to insert, and I have to select the layout as a blank of these all slides, so that I can perfectly and neatly can copy and link these all the questions which already I have typed in MS Excel program. Now see, I have to type this, I have to link these all the questions from Excel to PowerPoint presentation. Now see, for this purpose I have saved these all the questions, objective questions. Now see, I am going to select first question. I have selected it, I have copied it, and then see, this is the PowerPoint program. Now see, here I have to paste it, but while pasting, most important attention I have to give here, paste and then paste special. This is the most important option from paste options. We have to select this paste special. See, and then paste link. Now see, this is a paste link as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object, and then OK. Now see, I have pasted here and I have to rearrange it. See, I have arranged, I am arranging this box. Now see, remaining all the four options like this way I have to copy it, then paste and paste special. This is most important, paste link. OK, then again we can arrange this box as we wish so that it looks good. Then second option, so see, like this, this is the question and these all are the four options. Okay, so like this I have to paste this. Now I am going to paste a second questions. See, this is the question number second, and like this the same process again, paste special, paste link. Okay, so we can arrange this box properly so that it can look good and one can read it properly and neatly. Okay, and again like this also I am going to paste these all the options of this question. Okay, so I have pasted this these all the options of this second question. And now see, we can format this. See how we can format it. We can fill this, then we can give outline, and the remaining options we can also fill it. with different colors. We can give outline these all questions also. So like this also, second question also, remaining all the questions we can format it. Okay, now see, I have typed and pasted this from Excel. Now see, I have to prepare again slide number 3 for what, to for correct answer. So for this I have to insert here a button. See, from shape I can insert, see this, right click, edit text, your answer is correct. Okay, and then see, again I am going to insert a arrow in this slide number 3, then right click and then edit text to solve next question. So this is the button, and again for wrong answer I have inserted one more slide. Then we can insert here a button in which we can type sorry, your answer is wrong, and try again. So for this also I am going to arrange one more button here, which will show us try again. Okay, see, right click and see this, try again. We can fill this with different colors as we like. Okay, now see this 1 2 3 and 4. Now I have to insert here a box. Suppose I have to skip this question and I want to go directly on question number 2 or next question. So from this button I can go in next slide. So how to link it, I will show it. Before this, in this second number slide also I have to insert a button, sorry, 2 buttons. Suppose in this I came in this slide number 2, and at that time I feel that I have to wish to solve the question number first again. So for this purpose, this is the facility, and this button is for the purpose so that we can go in on first question again. Okay, so now how to link this is the most important thing, how to link this. Now see, I am going to link it, it's very important and most important. So give here yes, see, from insert first of all I have to click this button, and then from insert I have to select action, then see hyperlink to slide, see slide, and see actually before that the see, this is the next question. So here is the my next question, slide number 2. So from this I have to select here slide and slide number 2 in OK. So this as I click on this next button, I will go directly on the question number 2. Now see, like this second also, previous questions. So where is the previous question? Slide number 1st is the previous, on the slide number 1st there is a previous question. So click on this button, action, hyperlink to slide, and then from this option I have to select slide number 1. Why? Because my previous questions means first question is on question number on slide number first. So now again next question, already like this we can rearrange and link these all the slides and options. Now see first questions. This is the, what is the answer of this? The answer of this question is normal and outline. But the for correct answer, slide number third, I have given the slide number third for correct answer. So for this purpose, see, click on this correct answer, action, hyperlink to question slide, and then slide number third, which is already I have given for right answer. Now see OK, and then OK. The remaining, these are all the options. Actually these all options are wrong, and for this wrong answer I have given the slide number 4. Now see this wrong. Okay, so for this, these all remaining slides I am going to, for these all remaining slides I am going to hyperlink it slide number 4. Why? Because these all are the wrong answers, and for the wrong answer I have already made a slide number 4. So action, hyperlink to slide, and from here I have to select this slide number 4. Okay, so like this all the remaining slides we can select it and we can give the number. Question number, your answer is correct. From this, what is this? This is the next question. Suppose I have solved the first question and now I have to go on question number second. So which is the slide number question, slide number 2, and question number 2, it is on the slide number 2. That's why next question, action, hyperlink to slide, and here is the next question, slide number 2. Obviously it is okay. So here is a OK button. And now this is also most important. What is this? Suppose I have given any wrong answer of any question. So here is a try again a button. So again I must go on that the same slide. So from this options, here is a one more option, that is last slide viewed, and then OK. This option I have to select. Now like this I can link these all remaining slides and questions. Got it? So like this I have prepared process folio situation number 5. Have a nice day. Thank you.